If you are interested in improving your English speaking skills but do not want to make the effort of downloading any applications on your mobile phone or paying for any coaching classes, then in this small video, I am going to tell you a fun way to start improving your English speaking skills and also improve your vocabulary. In this festive season, you will not only enjoy the upcoming holidays but also thoroughly start your procedure to learn good English. Also, if you are patient enough and serious enough about improving your language, then towards the end of this video, I am going to give you one very simple, one very small assignment which will get you kick-started on the journey to improve your vocabulary and eventually improve your English speaking skills. To start with, I am going to recommend some movies, TV shows and some books which you can start watching or reading, which will definitely help you improve your English communication skills. The first movie that I'm going to tell you about is Shawshank Redemption, one of the highest rated IMDb movies ever. It will not only improve your English, but it is a thriller. It will keep you entwined till the very end. Do watch this movie. The second movie I want to recommend is The King's Speech. This, in fact, is a story about how the King of United Kingdom struggled with his speech, how he had the fear of public speaking because of stammering, and how he overcomes it, gives his countrymen the confidence that he is going to lead them in World War II. It is an inspirational movie. You will for sure enjoy it. The third movie that I'm going to recommend is Snowden. This is a real story about how Edward Snowden came out in public and actually he became a whistleblower, telling how the United States government was using the media, the technology that is available to spy on every single person on this earth. It is a very interesting movie. It is a true story, very intriguing. You will not only learn good English, but you will also gain some really good knowledge. Watch all of these movies with subtitles initially, and then later when you start watching more movies, you can watch them without subtitles. If you have any other recommendations, comment in the comment box below and let me know which one could be a good movie for others, or if you're going to watch any of these three, then comment and tell me which one are you going to watch. In fact, you can watch all of these three. The next recommendations that I'm going to make are for TV shows. The first one is Prison Break. The second one is Suits, and the third one is Big Bang Theory. Watch these TV shows, maybe 1 or 2 shows per day in your free time. Also, watch them with subtitles. These are not flowery, they do not use flowery language. They use simple English, slow and steady, and you will also enjoy watching them. Always remember that the intention should be learning English and not only enjoying the TV show. So this is movies and TV shows. Now let's move to the third section, which is book reading. I will suggest 3 books, but you will comment and tell me which other books you think can be good reads for people who want to improve their vocabulary. The first one that I recommend, this is how I started reading books. It is Secret 7 by Enid Blyton. You can order, there are many Secret 7 books. You can order any one of them right now and you can start reading. The second one that I will be recommending to you is by Mark Tully. It is called Non-Stop India. For those of you who want to read a little more about India, it is a relaxed book. It shows you different dimensions of this country, but it is also interesting and has simple English. You will thoroughly enjoy it and also learn a thing or two. The third book or the series that I want to suggest to you is the Shiva Trilogy by Amish. Again, Indian writer, simple language, intriguing story. You will definitely have a good time reading one book first, and then you will want to read the second and third book because it's a trilogy and the story keeps getting carried forward from one book to the other. You will definitely enjoy it. Comment and tell me which one are you going to read, and please take it seriously, order it and read it. Now that you have stayed with me till the end, it is time for the assignment of the week. For the next 3 days, what you need to sincerely follow is learn 3 words per day. Learn 3 new words. They can be simple words, they can be difficult words. You can pick them up from anywhere. You can pick it up from newspapers, you can pick it up from your messages, you can pick it up from these movies or the shows that you're going to watch or the books that you're going to read. Comment below what are those 3 words, what are the meanings of those 3 words, and write a sentence using at least one of those words. Write a sentence, frame a sentence on your own and comment below for the next 3 days. So for example, if today you take up a word and you tell me its meaning, You take up 3 words, you tell me their meanings, and use any one of the word in a sentence today. You repeat it tomorrow, you repeat it day after tomorrow. For 3 days, you comment it over here just to ensure that you are sincere and you are accountable. After that, if you wish to continue, you can continue doing it. You will really enjoy it. You will learn new words and you will also know how to use them in sentences. So even your written English will actually improve. Guys, if you like this video, then please hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel because I am going to be your partner in learning English for free of cost. And also, please share this video with as many friends and family members that you can, so that they can also get benefited from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the holiday season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.